abatendekirwe barugero muri district za Masaka, Mitoma, Isingiro, Rukunjiri, Mbara, Kiruhura, Kamwenge, Rukiga, Ntungamo, Sembabure, Kabare na Kampala. Abandi barugire Mubende, Kibuga, Wakiso, Mityana, Ibanda, Kamuri, Butareja, Bunyangabo, Kiryandongo, Kisoro, Buyukwe hamwe na Toro kandi bahirwe za certificate.
As I was teaching you, I realized that we did have big issues of catching up, because at times you have groups, people not knowing what a phenotype is, a genotype, and then you have to really tone down. But I think with this group, as I was teaching you before, I was comforted.
This training is done in basically two sections. Is what we call the theoretical section, where we are exposed to many breeding issues that guide us to do what we should do.
Dr. Hamidu Rutaro orukure kitongore cha urasi omura Africa ayahananjeriza barizo kwejumbiro mu mukozesa yo kwemesa amatungo gabo barukozesa enkore ya artificial insemination.
Of course harimo basic advantages engwara atiwo amizaga gaga n'umukashiki no compared wabo inenumi enumi yabi no burwire ko bwa brucellosis amizaga nigarawa mu quality measures, quality control ezahiguru munonga.
So twijera aha bari batwegesa uko kubasa kubanza wacerere nte kumanya ye inenda waiza kumanya ye inenda ukamanya ngwejo to kukihatisa akwa inobwo muri sari kweta atente yanje ryahi ukaze yo kujemesa kandi ukashanga intorede zireki einenda twait cyegire mesa ngo basa kwisa gani na koma ukweswa ukakisa mbateka maka kare nike bomba matemu pira uko mwamizi genumi ubitindika muri minenda.
Omugandi omuhoro yo kurinda ibyo bahangwa na munongo mugeragwa rwizi abahangu nubagira ngo hatandikire kurebeka ho bumanyiso bwo kweyongera kwa mizo mugerogu ogwabire gwatenesirize ko mana munongo mbwire bwe cyanda ebagambirwa hakutongoze huru yo kwiruka omwakogu.
Let's all join together to save this river and we start with this marathon.
Toni cyo turukurwaniriza munonga twayabisharere kabigumeho aho kubamiza ngo bya bitariho gija gona gakija ko kugali destruction egari kubasa gukora ne yamani.
Abantu bagira ngo kwiha batandike huru yo kushemesa abatura okubakubasa kutura jenna mugerogu abire hempindukana munonga omukanyiso bwinje bw'amizi ombwire bwe cyandana n'ubuceka boberi n'ubutonyezo mushanju bona 2 cubic meters okutanaho n'ubuceka 2 imyaka y'inyuma.
And let us be exemplary.
Last week I was in Shema alone. Shema twasiri abantu musanzu kandi tubatwire mukoti just last week. Lokiro mu weekend just. So hati kujya kubara omwako gwa abantu twasiri. Iye namba tekubara.
So all partners involved, you have the support of the police that this river is saved.
Abali mbafa zone batuhereze tubyale mu emiti yo tugina tubasaba mutuhereze tubyale mu emiti nuko River Ruiz yasobole kusemera.
River Ruiz ngoma garagi tubantu kumwamuka kuchimana. No water, no life. Tukwe. So all of us are depending on this river. So we should look at it as gold.
Aba batungwize huru yo kwiruka ahabwo murundo gwa kashatu eyamanywanka Sevo River Ruiz 2024 amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karim na Michael Tumwakiri.